I'm continuing my road trip through WA South into the Great Southern to a town that I have never been to before, but I've heard an awful lot about recently. You see, it's home to one of WA's latest artworks, and it's on a scale you've just got to see to believe. This is the southern wheat belt town of Pingrup. Its name in Noongar is believed to be place where there is digging. And it's enormous grain silos that have been a major landmark here for a long time that have now turned into one of WA's most astounding art installations. Stephanie Clark-Lloyd is a community resource volunteer and knows a lot about this incredible installation. Tell me the story behind it and who is Form?
Well, Form are a cultural organisation in Western Australia who do pretty amazing things. We were so excited when Pingrup was announced as the last site in the Silo Trail. So we were fortunate enough to have a community meeting with Form, and at that meeting we asked people around what they thought were important. And as you can see, the three key things that came out of that, we have the horse and jockey, which is about the Pingrup races. Racing has been a big part of the community for a long time. We have the sheep and the farmer, which is about industry and the generations, and then we have our pioneers and the historical tractor at the end, with, of course, man's best friend, the Kelpie.
Of course.
Yeah.
Tell me about the artist himself.
New York-based artist, Evoca One, he has done amazing murals. His work is very lifelike, as you can see, all around the world. He had 2 weeks to put this together, and it was freezing cold, raining, blowing a gale. Everything was against him, and yet, amazingly, he's pulled it off.
And one thing you must do whilst in town is stop for a coffee. The store Café 6343 has visitors raving. Marty Stanich is one of the CRC volunteers that makes this so special. Tell me about the store's name.
This originally was the general store of Pingrup.
Yeah.
So we took the store and 6343, which is our postcode, and thought they were an awesome combination. So the CRC purchased the cafe, and we thought it was an awesome opportunity to capitalise on the silos being painted, and we thought we'd obviously have a lot more traffic coming through the town. The CRC was having funding cuts, so we thought this was a good opportunity to possibly make some revenue and push it back into the CRC.
Yeah, so it's a real sustainable business model. The bit that I'm really excited about is what's sitting in front of us. I would be here every day for breakfast if it looked like that.
We'd take it every day. So we have the seasonal fruit salad here, and then our favourite is probably the Florentine slice, which is sourced from a local lady in Coolin.
The coffee's pretty unique too. Tell me the story. This is out of New York, right?
Yes, that's right. So one of our lovely employees, Renee, she brought the lavender coffee to the store. So she makes a lavender syrup and then puts a small amount in the coffee, and then she's garnished it with some lavender seeds.
So not only are you going to be calmer after you've had a cup of coffee, you're going to have fresh breath as well, right?
Yeah.
Well, the proof's in the pudding. Let's have a try.
How
That's
is it?
great.
Yeah.
That's amazing. I like it. Pingrup really is a must-stop destination as you're travelling through WA's Great Southern. It's the gateway to Albany or Esperance that way, or if you're heading west, you've got Katanning. And if you head north, you've got Wave Rock. This really is a wonderful little place. Make sure you check out the art installation here. It's amazing, as is the cafe. If you come here in springtime, the wildflowers are absolutely sensational. It's a really good reason to be taking a road trip right here in WA.